This is the Merrill P-120 yard hydrant head for the Merrill M2000 and the WellPro M2000 models. So we'll get it out here. A couple things to notice about it. Down here at the bottom, it will be that hexed side there. Of course, you'll have the handle assembly, the two link plates, the pivot connector, which is this piece right here, and then the two nuts on each side there, as well as the hardware to hold the handle. So we'll go ahead and get a couple measurements of the head, starting with a total length. So we'll measure from the bottom of that hex portion to the top of the head here. You can see that'll measure right at about 6.5 inches. And we can also get an outer diameter down here at the hex portion. So you straight across, it measures right at about 2 inches. And we can also get an outer diameter here at the threads on the spout. So it measures right at 1 1/8 inches. Okay, and then we can also get a total length of the handle. So measuring from here to the end here. You can see it's kind of hard to measure. Let me see if I can get it tilted up just a little bit more. There we go. Alright. So it measures right at about 5.5 inches. The handle ends right about here. And yeah, once again, this is the Merrill P-120 yard hydrant head.